If you're used to eating a lot of pasta and now on ketogenic diet you miss it a lot, I have great news for you. Shirataki noodles are a great substitute for traditional noodles, and they are definitely satisfy craving for pasta dishes. I think it is important for you to know what Shirataki noodles are and how to cook them properly so you can enjoy them in your kitchen. I already created one video, cooking video, shrimp stir fry, so using these noodles. So if you want to check that video, I will post it in the description below the video. Okay, let's get started. What Shirataki noodles are? Shiratakis are translucent and gelatinous noodles made of Konjak plant. And they are almost zero in calories. Is it not great? They are about 97% of water and 3% of fiber. So that means they keep us full longer. You can buy those guys almost in every healthy store and for sure online. I can post the link to the one I like below the video. So how to cook Shirataki noodles? There is very important information for you. They have fishy smell. I know, but don't worry, I will let you know how to eliminate it. What we need to do is rinse them for a few minutes under running water and then boil them in a pot for about 3 minutes. Then we need to cook them on high-medium heat for about few minutes. This is so important for the perfect texture of these noodles. And we're done. So our noodles are ready and we can use them in a variety of dishes. Please remember to check my shrimp stir fry video. And oh yes, there's one more thing I wanted to let you know. For some people, this noodle might cause a mild digestive issue. So try to introduce them into your diet gradually, okay? Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like my videos and you want to help me to record more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and put a thumbs up. Thank you so much again and see you in the next one.